everybody, it's Mayor John Huffman. Welcome to this week's Minute with the Mayor. And this week we're at the DPS North Training Facility talking about the brand new police simulator. Come check it out. So we're here at DPS North with Sergeant Jonathan Macheca, who runs the program. Sergeant, thank you so much for joining me.
Yes, sir, my pleasure.
So tell me about how this program got started, how it got implemented, and how you use it in the officers' everyday training.
So here at the police department, we're always looking for ways to advance our training, make it more realistic, make it safer, and we decided to invest in this simulation program. It's here at our DPS North Training Center. It helps the officers train with essential elements of their job: conflict resolution, firearms proficiency, quick decision making. It allows us to evaluate them and monitor them while they do real life scenarios, and then we can give them feedback afterwards.
Yeah, and so we're set up with screens and cameras and projectors, and so what you do is you put the officers in these simulations and you run them through various scenarios. I assume that change depending on their decisions?
Yes, sir. So it's kind of like a choose your own adventure book, really. The officer will be here, will be confronted with a situation, and then there's a controller over here at this computer, another officer observing, and based on how that officer reacts, he can choose different options for the officer to go through.
Okay, interesting. And you see it playing out in real time. So this is all video, and so if you do something or don't do something, the scenario is going to change right in front of you.
Yes, sir.
So will the officers in the simulation use their regular gear, or how does that work?
It has, simulation has gear that replicates their gear. So they have a gun that's the same exact thing as their gun. They have a taser that's the same exact size, dimensions, use as their taser. Even their pepper spray and flashlight are simulated. And it records that using lasers on the screen. The benefit to this simulation is it doesn't take much time or much safety gear. We can come in, we can run a scenario, and within 20 minutes, 30 minutes, run a few officers through it.
What a great training tool. Again, thank you so much for putting in the effort. And thanks for joining us on this week's Minute with the Mayor. We'll see you next week.